I had fibroids in my uterus, even multiple fibroids. Due to fibroids, frequent urination की काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम थी. बार बार मैं वॉशरूम जाती थी और थोड़ा अनकम्फर्टेबल भी फील बहुत ज़्यादा होता था और साइज़ वॉज टू बिग, काफ़ी बड़ा था, तो ऑपरेट तो करवाना ही था. हम भागे भागे हॉस्पिटल गए, इवन डिफरेंट हॉस्पिटल्स इन दिल्ली. वी मेट सेवरल डॉक्टर्स एंड कई डॉक्टर्स ने कहा कि साइज़ बड़ा है तो ओपन सर्जरी करना पड़ेगा. काफ़ी नर्वस थे हम लोग. फिर फाइनली वी केम हियर साकेत मैक्स एंड वी मेट डॉक्टर नीना मैम.
My patient Pooja Kumari Dubey, she was 34 years old and she's married for about 8 years. So as a prophylaxis before conceiving, she just thought of getting the ultrasound done. She got the ultrasound done and to her surprise, there was a huge fibroid which was almost like 9.5 or 10 centimeters, which was occupying the interior wall of the uterus. And as the interior wall of the uterus is very close to the bladder, so it was always pressing the bladder and she was unable to pass that urine. Also, there was heaviness because of this particular fibroid because it was huge in its dimensions. Obviously, the pregnancy went for a toss at one period of time. She walked into my clinic with this and obviously depressed with this particular report. Then I saw it was a thankfully small seedling fibroid, but one was huge enough for her symptoms. So it is obvious that I had to prescribe or advise her to remove this fibroid because the fibroid will also grow as the pregnancy will grow and it will interfere with her pregnancy. The removal of the fibroid from the base of the uterus, that is one part. The second part is the suturing of the fibroids, and third part is to remove that huge fibroid. Robotically, we can remove the fibroid and beautifully reconstruct the uterus. The beauty of this is that we can do 3-layer, 4-layer suturing. The whole depth of the fibroid is covered. There is not much bleeding. There is no retained clots which are left, and the suture line becomes perfect. So as a uterus is very robust and intact to bear the future pregnancies.
आफ्टर सर्जरी यूरिनेशन की जो प्रॉब्लम थी वो बिल्कुल ख़त्म हो गई है एंड आई एम फीलिंग वेरी हैप्पी, वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट. थैंक यू सो मच मैक्स स्मार्ट. थैंक यू सो मच नीना मैम, ऑल द टीम. थैंक यू सो मच.